Hi there, welcome back to 110 RC Scale Tales on this beautiful morning. It was a bit cold, but not too bad. And you can see I'm out with the WPL C74 Suzuki Jimny. Got this just before Christmas in 2023. Cost me £50. And we did some weathering on the truck. You may have seen an earlier video. So I thought I'd bring it out today to do some more trail footage. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really does help the channel. Please give me a like. And please comment, good or bad, I will reply. Enjoy the video. Cheers. Well, there we go, folks. Another trail video with the C74, the Suzuki Jimny. I have to say, I do really like it. It's a lot of fun, and for £50 you can't go wrong. You're getting a lot of little truck for the money. It does need upgrades, certainly. It needs a bigger motor to give it a little bit more power, and probably the tyres could do a little bit of an upgrade too to get it over some of the obstacles. It wants to get over things, but it just can't because it just doesn't have enough power, and the tyres are a bit slippy. But other than that, a lot of fun on the beach, on the flat stuff, the gentle rocks, etc. Enjoy the video. Please give me a like, please subscribe, and any comments about the C74 channel, the video, good or bad, I will reply. Anyway, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.